like, comment, and subscribe.
Today I will be taking you on a tour at the Caribbean Beach Resort. This is a moderate resort and this is the Aruba section. Here we go. So here we are into the room. Let's go over the details of the room. We end up getting a corner room, which is what I requested. So I was really excited about that. We have two big window spaces. Lots of light coming to the room. Have your chair and table area. Then on the other side, there's a door for if you want a connecting room. We have two bed areas here with big lights above each bed. Ceiling fan, another great bonus to having a moderate is you have a ceiling fan. So that's a big plus. Also, as we stroll along on this side of the room, we have plenty of storage space, extra pillows inside of the drawers. And these drawers are really, really deep, very deep drawers. So if you're the family who likes to unpack, we aren't. There are many drawers for you if you do like to unpack. This huge television, guys, this television is humongous, okay? So this is another great feature to this room. Babe, cut on the television really quick for me. Cut on the television really quick for me. All right, while he's cutting on the television, you know we always have to see what comes on the Disney television, and it always makes us so very happy. There it is. How could that not make you happy? That's great. Woo. Turn the volume down so I can finish the tour. All right, so that's always going to make you so happy when you come into the room and see that. All right, next we end up getting a fifth sleeper in the room. So you can sit on this bench if you did not have to use the fifth sleeper. This is extra seating space. And I think these drawers, all three drawers, you could also store things down there. So that's really good if you needed that. And with your extra sleeper, there's Mickey Mouse. Very, very cute. And it's a pretty big space. We didn't have to use it on this trip, but that is very nice. I would like to sleep there if I had to. Really, really cute. Look at all that rain. It's been like 70% chance of rain the whole time we've been here, but luckily we haven't had all of that rain. All right. So next we have what looks like storage space, but it's actually a fridge, and it's the see-through refrigerator. Very, very nice. And when you open the door, it lights up. Very cool. Have a coffee maker. My husband has already made coffee. Joffrey's is the company that Disney uses. I would assume it's very delicious. And they also have tea. If you wanted to make your little tea, they have that as well. Very nice artwork on the walls. Very pretty. And these are the doors that go to the bathroom. I think those are really, really neat as well. Bathroom, there's not really very much fancy about it, but I'll give you a really quick look of the bathroom. So this is what you see when you come in. You have another beautiful light area up top. You have your makeup mirror here on the side. Two sinks. They gave you your Disney soap. We've already used that to get our hands clean as soon as we came in. You have hangers, blankets, ironing board, and a safe. And the bathroom is just really simple. There's really not much to it. It's really small, in my opinion. It's not spacious. But I guess you're only in here for a certain amount of time. And you just have your shower, your tub, and your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And that is it. Oh, you have a mirror on your door. You have that mirror on your door, so when you get dressed, you can see yourself. And that is the room tour, guys. It is more spacious than staying in a value. There is more room. There are a lot of perks and pluses to staying in a moderate. Like I said, the ceiling fan, more space in the room, more bus stops. It has lots of bus stops all over the property, where the values, you have to go to one central location. So that's another bonus about also staying in a moderate resort. If you've liked the things you've seen today, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please hit that notification bell so you'll know when we post a new video. Leave a comment, tell a friend. Also, a thumbs up will be greatly appreciated. Come back to see us real soon. And as always, dream, believe Disney. Have a great one.